The air outside your airplane might be colder than Antarctica. When a commercial airplane cruises at around 35,000 feet, the temperature outside can drop to nearly -60 degrees Celsius. That's cold enough to freeze boiling water into ice almost instantly. If you stepped outside without protection, you'd lose consciousness within seconds. Luckily, airplanes keep the cabin warm and pressurized, so passengers stay comfortable while flying through one of the coldest places on Earth. Would you dare open a window at 35,000 feet? Follow for more crazy facts.